All right, good evening, everybody. Jason's awesome Torcon Weather Team Headquarters Weather Desk, and I told you earlier today that we'd be back with an update. Let me get my cursor back over here on the radar. So, a couple of areas that we're looking at tonight, as we said earlier. Now, so let me explain real quick because the question was all over our Facebook page and the post from this morning about the derecho. So let me explain what a derecho is. It's pretty much a straight line wind event. It is a major straight line wind event with hurricane force winds. The definition of a derecho is a widespread, long-lived windstorm associated with a band of rapidly moving showers or thunderstorms. The term comes from the Spanish word straight ahead or direct. Reflecting, and yes, I am reading this, or reflecting the straight line nature of the damage caused by these storms. Unlike tornadoes, which have rotating winds, derechos are characterized by powerful straight line winds. So a lot of times what you will see is a QLCS develop. A QLCS is a quasi-linear convective system. All right, a lot of times you'll see, like if you look here on the radar, this is to say a QLCS, okay? Not really, but it is. So what you'll see with a QLCS usually is, now this is it's a convective line, don't get me wrong, but there's embedded supercells in it. A QLCS will be one solid line of crazy thunderstorms, straight line winds. It will have embedded tornadoes in it. And with that, if you get enough backside push and winds coming off the front edge, straight line winds coming off the front edge, it'll cause it to bow out. Now, the winds will usually peak at the apex. Say this is the apex here, right around Sioux Falls. This is not a derecho. Let me clarify that. Not a derecho so far. We have yet to see any type of derecho. But if this would bow out the apex right in here, that would be your strongest winds, and they'd get weaker and weaker and weaker on both the northern and the southern edge as you move out. So a derecho, by definition, is a pretty much a straight line windstorm that has hurricane force winds 75, 85, 95, 100 mile an hour. We have not seen that yet. So moving on to what we do have going on, you can see that the radar is lit up with all kinds of flashing boxes. We got tornado warnings. Let's take a look at exactly what we've got and where. So we've got tornado warning, South Dakota. Tornado warning, South Dakota. Tornado warning, South Dakota. Tornado warning, South Dakota. Nebraska, you're getting ready to get involved in this. Iowa, you're going to get involved in this. This line holds itself together, which it could very well hold itself together very nicely. There's enough low-level shear there that it could keep it together, and it could eventually cause a derecho. If you guys remember, not too long ago, we had a derecho that happened primarily at night in the dark. Sorry, I've got alarms going off in my ears like crazy because of new updates. We're down to two tornado warnings in South Dakota. It's these two right here. So we'll take a look at these real quick. Go up here to the tornado warning. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Davidson County, southwestern Aurora County, northwestern Douglas County, and east central Brule County in South Dakota. At 6:48 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over White Lake, or 10 miles west of Plankinton. Sorry. Moving southeast at 25 mile per hour. This is does have tornadic tendencies and does have golf ball size hail in it. Danger storm will be near Aurora Center around right now. Stickney around 7:05 in 4 minutes. So this is an extremely dangerous storm. Take cover now. So that's going to be the first one. Guys, these have produced tornadoes that have been witnessed by storm chasers and storm spotters. There was a PDS tornado warning in Minnesota earlier, I believe it was. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Davidson County, southwestern Aurora County, northwestern Douglas County, and east central Brule County. I hope I'm saying that right. Until 7:30 Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over White Lake or 10 miles. Is that the one that I just read? That's the one I just read. My bad, guys. I'm sorry. I clicked on the wrong one. Or maybe they're the same. Maybe they're giving the same information. Hold on here, because they are close together. Nope. Ha! I was on the wrong one. I apologize. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Charles Mix County, southeastern Gregory County in South Dakota until 7:45 Central Daylight Time. At 6:54 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pickstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is radar indicated rotation. Dangerous storm will be near Lake Andes, Pickstown, Marty, Ravenna. Am I saying that right? Somebody correct me. Around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wagner around 7:05 Central Daylight Time. So, that's your 2 tornado warnings as of right now. Let me refresh the board real quick. Still the only 2 on the board. Got a whole lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. We got, let's take a look at this one. Whoops, zoomed out the wrong way. This one's going to be for Indiana. We'll just go over these very briefly. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for northeastern Gibson and Pike counties. Oakland City, Petersburg, Winslow, and Francisco. You're going to be affected by this severe thunderstorm warning. Ohio, out of the Cleveland National Weather Service office. Ohio just had a big QLCS line come through. It went from the top of the state all the way to the bottom of the state. It literally touched Michigan and Kentucky, Lake Erie, all that good stuff. So this one's up around the Canton area. Take a look at this one real quick. It's only got 11 minutes left on it. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Stark County in Ohio. At 7:58, a severe thunderstorm is located along a line extending from near North Canton to East Sparta, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Canton, Massillon, Greene, Alliance, North Canton, Louisville, Minerva, Hartville, Navarre, Waynesburg, East Sparta, East Canton, Bolivar, Meyer Lake, Hills, and Dales, Limaville, Greentown, Robertsville, Maximo, and Perry Heights. These are up just south of the Cleveland area, guys. So we're going to the, there's another one out here, and this is probably an extension off the other one that I just read. National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County, Western Columbia County, and northeastern Tuscarawas County until 8:45 Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Strasburg, or 14 miles north of Dover, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Dover, Carrollton, Lisbon, Strasburg, Augusta, Salineville, Malvern, Bolivar. I can't talk tonight. My goodness. Mineral City, Hanoverton, Delroy, Sherrodsville, Azores, Summitville, Mechanicstown, and East Rochester, Holmesworth, Harlem Springs, North Georgetown, and New Garden. You guys are all in the line of this storm, and you guys are probably in the polygon. So we're going to slide this back out. We're going to take a look and see what we got coming up on the board, because we're going to head out to Nebraska now. Oh, hang on. Check that. We're going to move again. We just had a new tornado warning hit the board. Actually, 2 tornado warnings just hit the board. We're going to take a look at this first one here. Guys, this could be a long night. I might just stay here with you guys for a little bit. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Charles Mix County and southeastern Gregory County. This is going to be an extension, guys. And until 7:45 Central Daylight Time, located over Pickstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Lake Andes, Pickstown, Marty, Ravinia. Is that how you say that? Around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Wagner around 7:05. So this is, they're putting extensions on these guys. That's exactly what this is. Let's go back here. And we're going to take a look at this one. There's a new one. This one's got 23 minutes left on it, and National Weather Service. Tornado warning remains in effect. Yeah, they extended it until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Davison and southeastern or southern Aurora and northwestern Douglas counties. At 7:05 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Aurora Center, or 9 miles southwest of Plankinton. Moving southeast at 25 mile per hour, Stickney and Aurora Center. You're going to be, you're in the line for this. Go ahead and take cover now. And we're going to take a closer look at this thing because it does have an appendage on it. It's got a hook, guys. See that right there? You got an area of inflow here, or aka a V-notch. That is your area of inflow. You're going to see something pop up here. We're going to flip it over to velocity real quick, and we're going to take a look at it. But yeah, there you go. Right there. There's your mezzo right there. That doesn't look real good. And it's right on the back side of it. So, and it's right where that hook was. Let's see if it's on the ground at all. Let's see if we can pick up anything on correlation. And not 70. Got a little bit there. Maybe a little bit on the backside here. I don't think it's on the ground yet. We're not going to call it on the ground until we know it's on the ground, until we get visual confirmation. Let's flip it back over here. So there is some nasty storms popping up all over the place, guys. Got another severe thunderstorm warning for, got another one from Minnesota now. Minnesota. No, I'm not making fun of the way you guys talk. Okay, maybe I am. That's okay because you guys think we talk funny down here too, so. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Big Stone, southeastern Roberts, and Grant counties in Minnesota. This is going to include Millbank, Ortonville, Big Stone City, Clinton, Albee, Big Stone Lake, Laguna Beach, around 7:10 Central Daylight Time. So we'll take a look at a couple of these. We're just going to jump all over the map right now, guys, because they're just, I'm getting them as they're coming. I'm grabbing them as they're coming in. And that's not what I meant to click on. Got another one that just came in for South Dakota. Let's move back over to South Dakota. This one's got an hour on it, so it's new. Tornado possible. Tornado possible. National Weather Service of Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Davison County, southern Sanborn County, southeastern Aurora County, southwestern Minor County, and northwestern Hanson County until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:08 Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm was located over Lechner, or 13 miles northwest of Mitchell, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Mitchell, Lechner, Loomis around 7:15, guys. It's 10 after. Take cover now. This is a tornado possible, severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible. And it does look like, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit on this thing. Right there around Lechner, it looks like we might have a little area of interest there. Little bit of an inflow. I got alarms going off all over the place. Yep. I got an area of rotation right here, and you got an area of rotation right here. I'd be more concerned with this one right here. We're going to put it in motion. I'm going to grab a quick drink, because I have cotton mouth tonight, and I don't know why. Probably all this healthy eating I've been doing. Oh, boy. Let me tell you, it's been fun. Yeah. I would look right there, guys. Area of interest right there, and another area of interest right there. There we go. That's what I was looking for. There's a couplet. That right there is possibly producing a tornado right now. Take a see if there's anything on correlation that matches up with this thing. Nothing on correlation coefficient yet. Nothing there yet. But that does not mean that it's not there, guys. So right here, if you're in Lechner, Loomis, Plano, Mitchell and Fullerton, I would take cover now. Get to your safe space now. This is not tornado warned, but there is a tight couplet right there. I'm getting all kinds of weird warnings tonight. Weird alerts. Phone's going off, computer's going off, radar's going off in my ears. Got some hail, guys. That means it's got a pretty substantial updraft in it. Basically, what it's doing is it's taking that moisture, carrying it into the upper atmosphere. It's freezing it, and the atmosphere can't hold it up anymore. It's dropping it back to the ground. There's your hail core there and there. You got 2 areas of hail there, so keep an eye on that. Montana. Let's take a look at Montana here. That one expires in 2 minutes. Still there. I want to take a look at this one right here. This one expires in 17 minutes, but it's going to get extended. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 Mountain Daylight Time for South Central Fergus County. 6:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 18 miles southeast of Lewistown to 22 miles north of Dead Man's Basin Reservoir. Moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. They're not moving quick, guys. They're sticking around for a while, which means they're dropping a lot of precip. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Fergus County. That's a good thing. Go back to our alerts here. I got a new tornado warning on the board, guys. Woo, hello. All right, this one's got 31 minutes left on it. National Weather Service's Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Charles Mix County and southeastern Gregory County until 7:45 Central Daylight Time. At 6:54 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pickstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. All they're doing is extending that one. They canceled it and reissued it. I don't know why they did that. We're going to take a look at this. It's got 31 minutes left on it for this tornado possible. Severe thunderstorm warning for Charles Mix County and southeastern Gregory County correlates with the tornado warning until 7:45 Central Daylight Time. 6:57 Central Daylight Time. 2 severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from near St. Charles or near Pickstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Pickstown, Wagner, Marty, Bonesteel, Ravinia. Somebody correct me on that because I hate seeing names wrong. 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Dante around 7:10 Central Daylight Time. So that's already done past you. I don't know where these places are, guys. I won't lie. And I'm calling no bueno. There's Dante there. There's Wagner there. This thing is a slow mover. Butte, Spencer, Bristow, Paddock, Lynch, Napier, you're getting smashed with hail. You just got smashed with hail. Butte, you're getting ready to get smashed with hail. We're going to move this over here. Take a look at this. That is some heavy, heavy hail right there, guys. We're going to stop it. We're going to pull out a little bit. Take a look at that. Taking a look at the tornado warnings, guys. I'm watching the tornado warnings closely. And I want to see. Turn this back on real quick. Bing. There they are. Wanted to see who was out there and who was on what. Not going to turn the spotter network back on. I gave those guys props earlier. So we're going to scroll down the board again. Indiana, Montana, South Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska. Nebraska, we're going to take a look at this one with you. Oh, that's the one we just looked at. Ha! National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Holt County and in north central Nebraska, Boyd County and north central Nebraska until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So we got about 44 minutes left on this thing. At 7:04 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Napper, or 17 miles west of Spencer, moving east at 35 mile per hour. This does have ping pong ball size hail and 6 mile per hour wind gusts in it. And Spencer, Butte, Lynch, Napper, Gross, Bristow, Dustin, Anoka, Monowi, however you say that. Monowi. I know I'm going to screw it up. Scottville, Redbird State Wildlife Management Area, Hull Lake State Wildlife Management Area, Spencer Dam, Midway, Dorsey, Partial Bridge State Wildlife Management Area. All these wildlife management areas out there. Ankar. It's going to include Highway 281 between mile markers 198 and 223. Highway 12 between mile markers 91 and 144. So, as you can see, these things are ramping up and getting pretty nasty. Like I said, whoa, hold the phone on this tornado warning. It's got to have some. There is a large tornado there, guys. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on the ground. I'm trying to get used to this new radar. That is a big circulation right there. I'm going to get this off your screen, and we're going to put this bad boy in motion. Look at that. That's disgusting. You can see it walk. You can see it walk. Pickstown, Wagner, Dante. Like I said, guys, in Dante and Wagner, take cover now. Avon, Tyndall, Scotland, all these areas out here in front, I'm going to move it over here so you can actually see. Kaler, Scotland, Olivet, Jamesville, Lesterville, Utica, Tabor, Mayfield, Spring Valley. All these areas out here need to take. We're going to back it out so you guys can get a better idea of where this thing's at. This thing just got nasty. Right here. I'm going to stop the radar. Let it catch up. Right here. Right here. That's... Tell me they didn't just cancel that. Alright, I don't care if they canceled it. That is a big area of rotation. That is a big couplet right there. I don't know why they would cancel that. We're going to come back over here. We're going to see if it's got an inflow notch. Not seeing an inflow. I think the whole thing's just rotating. The whole thing's just one big mesocyclone. I would take cover. All these areas out here. All these areas, Olivet, Scotland. If you're in this area, Lesterville, Utica, Tabor, take cover. Don't have eyes on the ground right now, guys. Don't have eyes on the ground. Actually, I'm going to turn the spotter network on briefly. See if there's anybody out in front of it that I can get a hold of. There's somebody. Take a look at that real quick. Who's out there? Ben Holcomb. See if Ben's got any information. Email address. Guys, if you're a spotter and you're on this spotter network, put your freaking phone numbers on there. That way we can call you guys and get you live on there. Email addresses annoy me. We want to know what's going on in real life. Guys, we're trying to get this information out there. We got a new I think we got a new tornado warning on the board. Hang on. Stop this real quick and let it catch up. Yep. Got a new, nope. Gone. It was there and then it was gone. So we're going to roll up here. One tornado warning on the board right now. And that's going to be the one for Aurora Center and Stickney. We're going to take a look at this real quick. Not seeing anything on velocity. Doesn't mean anything. Looks like it's some straight line. You got some straight line winds there. Running right across there. Some heavy straight line winds. So we're going to back us out. We're flip to nationwide. So overnight tonight, Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa. I would look at Illinois. Illinois, if this thing holds itself together. As you guys can see over here on this side, it is starting to backpedal a little bit as it combines with this front. There is a front there. It's a cold front, but it's a front. You're looking at the front edge of it right here. So a lot of rain. We're going to keep an eye on this for a while, guys. I don't like... Sorry, I just smacked the microphone. I don't like the way this is starting to shape up. It may not do anything, but it's kind of giving a... I don't know. You know what? We'll look at... Got a new tornado warning on the board. It just went off in my ear. Let's see what we got. Nope. Only got one tornado warning on the board right now. And that is in South Dakota. It's got 7 minutes left. Sorry, I was reading the wrong thing. Again, that's the one for northwestern Douglas County, and that will expire at 7:30 Central Time. Got some new severes popping up that I do hear those. Oh, I know why. I need to fix something real quick. Haha, that would be why. We're going to try it like that. Maybe I've got these set weird. Yep, there we go. Fixed it. All right, so take a look here. It's got 36 minutes left on it. It is for National Weather Service in Twin Cities. In the Twin Cities. Minneapolis, St. Paul. Severe thunderstorm warning for western Stevens County in central Minnesota, western Swift County, and west central Minnesota until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:23 Central Daylight Time, Ortonville Airport gusted to 60 mile per hour at 7:20 p.m. with a line of severe thunderstorms located along the line from 12 miles west of Chokio to 9 miles northwest of Bellingham, or along a line from 24 miles west of Morris to 34 miles west southwest of Morris, moving east at 35 mile per hour. Appleton, Chokio, Donley, Lake Hattie, Lake Oliver, Fish Lake, Alberta, Holloway, Morris Airport, and Appleton Airport. And that is covering Wisconsin and Minnesota, guys. I think, yeah, it is. Yes, it is. So we're going to get out in front of these a little bit. We'll take a look at them from the Twin Cities Weather Forecast Office. See what we got here. Oh, what is that? So we're going to swing back down here to Ohio. We're going to take a look at the Cleveland radar again. See what these storms in Ohio are doing. All right, we got a new line that's starting to train across Ohio, north of Columbus. Nothing severe yet. West Liberty, Marysville, Milford Center, Urbana, Delaware, Powell, Dublin, Centerburg, Radnor, Ashley, All these areas are in the Dublin to North Columbus to through Delaware. Centerburg, Sunbury, Johnstown, New Albany, Alexandria, Utica, Martinsburg, Mount Vernon. Be on the lookout. All the way over to Coshocton County. That's why I want to take a look at that. Parkersburg, you got a pretty decent sell over you right now. We're going to go back to the composite. Find all the problem areas. As we zoom in, you guys will see all the severes pop up. You got one. Actually, I can tell you. Total, we've got 10 severe thunderstorm warnings and 1 tornado warning on the board right now. Let's take a look at our severe thunderstorm warnings. Nebraska, South Dakota, Nebraska, Montana, Indiana, Minnesota, Montana, South Dakota, and the tornado warning expires in 2 minutes in South Dakota. We're going to crawl back in and take a look at this one. Not really seeing a whole lot there, guys. We're going to put it in motion. Oh, that's why. I can get off the composite. Sioux Falls. Sounds like a good radar to be on. Yeah, the one's out of there. Let's take a look at some winds. See what the winds look like going through there. Not really seeing a whole lot there. Seeing more right there. It's that same area, guys. Right there. Boom. I don't know how that's not tornado warned. Just for the radar imagery alone. Oh, what happened? I just lost all my... There they go. Okay, tornado warning just expired. Got a new severe thunderstorm warning for Nebraska. Severe thunderstorm warning in National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Knox County in northeastern Nebraska until 8:45 Central Daylight Time at 7:27 Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Dante. Now that's the one that was just tornado warned. That was just tor warned. Or 60 miles southeast of Pickstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Santee, you are included in that warning. So we will refresh our alerts board. Tornado warning just expired. Just lost one in... Got a new one in South Dakota. Expires in 45 minutes. National Weather Service of Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Charles Mix County, Bon Homme County, southeastern Douglas County, and western Hutchinson County until 8:15 Central Daylight Time. At 7:24 Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles south of Delmont or 18 miles southwest of Parkson. Moving east at 40 miles per hour, 70 miles, wow, 70 mile per hour wind gusts with ping pong ball size hail. Trip, it's going to be in your backyard right now. Kaler, your backyard right now. Who in the God's green earth is calling me right now? Hold on, guys. Stand by just 1 second. All right, so sorry about that. Team members giving me updates on things. Well, let's take a look at this one up here. It's got 28 minutes left on a severe thunderstorm warning out of National Weather Service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. That was extended. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Davison, southeastern Sanborn, southwestern Minor, and northwestern Hanson counties. At 7:30 Central Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Loomis, or 7 miles north of Mitchell. Moving southeast at 25. Locations impacted include Mitchell. So if you're in this area, you're gonna get. It's gonna be rock and roll time here before too long. As you can see, South Dakota getting busy. Minnesota starting to pop off again. Let's move this up here. We're going to get up in here. Let's take a look at this. Twin Cities, Western Stevens County, Western Swift County still. So what else we got here? This one's for Appleton. 27 minutes, 6 mile per hour observed. Western Stevens County, Western Swift County, all in Minnesota, but yet it does include Appleton, Wisconsin. Man, they're like laying right on top of each other. I'll scoot over here real quick. Like I said, guys, this could starting to come together a little bit, as you can see on the composite. You got this long line of precip here. Now, not all of it is severe warned, but you do have a couple areas of severe. Looks like all the severes are done in Ohio. Yep, all the severes are done in Ohio. You do have, what's that, flash flood warning. Got a flash flood warning down here just south of Cincinnati. National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southern Ripley County in southeastern Indiana until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Let's see here. Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch. So we're talking like 3.5 inches of rain, guys. Versailles, Osgood, Holton, Napoleon, Versailles Lake, Benham, Olean, New Marion, Otter Village, Rexville, Cross Plains, and Friendship. And you're like, you guys don't normally mention flash flood warnings. We've been mentioning flash flood warnings lately because of North Carolina, Texas, a.k.a. Kerrville, New Mexico, Colorado, Ohio this weekend, Central Ohio at that. Speaking of Ohio, we'll take a look at these real quick. Get in here on the, let's go down and take a look at the Wilmington radar. We've been looking at it from Cleveland. And I'm still on velocity. Sorry, guys. I know you can see my control box come up, but I don't know my shortcut keys yet on this new radar. Okay, so this is going to go right across Delaware County. Looks like Union County, Urbana. Nope, it's making its way into Columbus. Moving southeast. Okay, now we need to wake up. So, Columbus, Licking County, Newark, Buckeye Lake area, Fairfield County, Millersport, Baltimore, Thurston, Lancaster, Carroll, Rushville, Bremen, Sugar Grove, Pataskala, Etna, Hebron, Alexandria, Newark. Newark, you might stay out of this one. South Bloomfield, Groveport. In Columbus, we're looking at Hilliard, Gahanna, West Jefferson, Columbus proper, Grove City, Lockbourne, Orient, Derby, Mount Sterling, South Bloomfield, Circleville, Amanda, and Sugar Grove. You guys need to be on the lookout. These things are dropping heavy amounts of rain, and you guys are already saturated down there. Lots of water rescues in Lancaster yesterday and the day before. Millersport had some water rescues out on Buckeye Lake. Groveport had some water rescues down in this area. Thornville, Hebron both had water rescues yesterday. So this is going to be, it's going to hit hard and fast. So here it comes. And there's your flash flood warning. Oh, I'm going to stop it. I'm going to see if that's a flash flood or if it's just a flood warning. Where'd it go? Disappeared. As you can see, it does. These are thunderstorms. They've got some electricity in them. Make sure they don't have any quasi-linear a little bit. And not seeing a whole lot of wind there. So we should be good there. Just noisemakers and rainmakers. So, Central Ohio, be on the lookout. Matter of fact, we're going to keep an eye on this area right here, too. This one coming out of Urbana and West Liberty, headed down towards Springfield, London, South Charleston. Looks like it might make its way London, Derby, Mount Sterling. Might even catch a little bit of Grove City there. Cedarville, Fairborn. Keep your eyes open. So, Tip City over here, yeah, I know there was a guy out there this weekend, and he was posting pictures of it was June 8th, 2022, because I remember the tornado. I was working this, and Tip City, the Walmart warehouse, this guy's posting pictures from 3 years ago. I said Walmart. The Meijer warehouse, Meijer grocery stores warehouse in Tip City, Ohio. No. Let me clarify this. No. And one more time. No. It did not get hit with a tornado in the last 6 days. He's been posting this on and off for 6 days. That is false information. Those are pictures that from 3 years ago. Yes, it got hit 3 years ago by an EF2. I was working it. I know. That was... Guys, make sure you're getting your weather information from reliable sources. Not some jackal that decides that he's going to post fake pictures. He got shut down. He finally got shut down. Enough of us put information out there to Facebook, and they shut his page down. Okay, guys, got a new severe thunderstorm warning on the board. National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Knox County and northeastern Nebraska until 8:45 Central Daylight Time. At 7:27, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Dante. They keep reissuing the same area, but they're getting pounded through there, which is fine. Butte. Got 20 minutes left on yours. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Holt and Boyd counties. And this is out of North Platte. How much longer we got on this one? This one had a tornado possible. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45. So you got 5 minutes left on this one, guys. 5 minutes. Southeastern Charles Mix County at 7:34. Severe thunderstorm was located near Tripp or 15 miles northwest of Tyndall, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Got a new severe on the board. You guys are wondering how I do that. It's in my ears. Minnesota. I got 19 minutes on this one. This must be, hello. It's an extension. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Stevens and Western Swift counties. Yep, that's an extension. So, this is for Appleton, Lake Oliver, Holloway, and Appleton Airport. They just updated it. Take a look at this one up here. And it's flash flood. Severe thunderstorm watch. Special weather statement. And we're good there. See the green here? Those are flood warnings. The green ones that are flashing are flash flood warnings. The yellow flashing, severe thunderstorm warnings. Active severe thunderstorm warnings. And if you see one flashing red, that's a tornado warning. Just catching you guys up. Oop, didn't mean to zoom in that far. Take a look over here at Minneapolis, St. Paul. Take a look at what these things are doing. Ew. The one down by Clear Lake just got ugly. Take a look at that on velocity. I don't like the looks of it. I might be off. Maybe. Yeah. It's got some rotating. It's got some broad rotation in it. That's what all this is. The whole thing's rotating. That's why it's hooking around like that. So, again, let's take a look at the board. Minnesota, you got one that expires in 17 minutes. South Dakota, 2 minutes. Nebraska, 17 minutes. South Dakota, another one for 17 minutes. Nebraska, 1 hour. South Dakota, 32 minutes. Where's that one at? Let's take a look at that one. That's a newer one. Maybe. Oh, this one's got, no, they updated this one. It's got a considerable damage threat tag on it now. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Charles Mix County, Bon Homme County. This one we were just talking about. They just updated this one to a considerable threat with a considerable threat tag. Again, southeastern Charles Mix County, Bon Homme County, southeastern Douglas County, and western Hutchinson County until 8:15 Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Delma or 18 miles southwest of Parkston, moving east at 40 mile per hour, 70 mile per hour wind gusts, and ping pong ball size hail. And it looks like the velocity on it slowed down. Or the forward motion on it, sorry, slowed down. Trip around 7:30 Central Daylight Time. Kaler around 7:35. I don't know why. That was like 10 months ago. But yeah, they put a considerable damage threat tag on it. It is a slow mover, I can tell you just by looking at it. So let's look at the actual on this. Who's in the line of it? Avon, Tyndall, Lusterville, Tabor, Utica, Scotland, Mayfield, Irene, Wakanda, Volin, Gayville, and Yankton, St. Helena. And I'm not going to go any further than that because it could diminish by then. So this severe thunderstorm warning down here, Napper. You got another one coming in out of here. This one is not severe warned yet, but we need to keep an eye on that one. This one right here, coming into Springview. It does have a pretty interesting looking hail core in it. Not anything like this one coming into Butte. But Butte, you're getting, or you just got smacked with one. Paddock, Lynch, Niobrara. Is that how you say that? I have no idea. Springfield, it's another one for you. Center, Bloomfield, Creighton, Wausau, Randolph, Plainview. You guys could get punched by this one. Is that a new? Stop this for a second. Nope. So again, Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota, it's almost to your back porch. It's leaving. It's going out the back door. Minnesota, you're just getting started. I'll take a look at the Twin Cities radar. Got some interesting looking storms there. I'm going to leave that as that for now. Only got the one severe on it so far. 13 minutes left. And that is the one for South Central, Stevens, Western Swift counties. St. Cloud, it's going to get noisy. Painesville, noisy. Benson, it's already noisy. Granite Falls, Hutchinson, Minneapolis, you're not out. Minneapolis, St. Paul, you're not out of the woods yet. This thing is still walking its way towards you. Yeah, got a new severe in Montana. Let's take a look at that one. That's got 43 minutes left on it. Let's take a look. National Weather Service in Billings. There it is. National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern central Golden Valley County. That's a mouthful. Muscle County and central Montana until 7:30 Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:44 Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles west of Roundup, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Roundup, Muscle Shell, and Klein, you are going to be impacted by this severe thunderstorm warning. We'll go over here to Billings and take a look at it. We're going to depict it. Oh, there's a couple of them there. This one looks like it. I'll take a look. Woo! Look at that hail. I wonder what. We're going to pull up correlation. We're going to see what that hail looks like. Oh. Oh. I don't like the looks of that. I'm going to jump back over here to velocity real quick. Oh. Yeah. I definitely don't like the looks of that. See this tightening right here? That is some very, very tight rotation. I'm not seeing anything on the ground yet, but I'm not counting it out. And remember how I said something about this one back here? Look at that. It's got some rotation in it too. And it's got some definite, looks like some broad rotation there. This one right here, though, ooh, coming into Roundup. Roundup, get into your safe space. I know that this is a very desolate area, but Roundup, if you live in the town of Roundup, I don't even know if that's a city, take cover. This is what I don't like right here. You got rotation there. You've got a couplet there. That rotation is a couplet, I guess I should say. Let's take, oh, yeah. Right here, guys. That's debris. That's a lot of debris. I don't know how that's not tornado warned. Unless it's straight line winds. Got another alert on the board. We're going to switch back to reflectivity here. Yeah, look at that. That's hail, guys. That's not debris. That's hail. Holy cow. Look at that. Lots of hail. I bet that thing's got lots of elevation on it. We're going to put it in motion. All right. So we're going to jump back over to South Dakota. Got a new severe on the board. Got 25 minutes on it. Damage threat considerable. Nope, that's the one that we had before. Clicked on the wrong one. I apologize. There we go. 39 minutes left on that one. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Davison, Southern McCook, Hanson County, Northwestern Turner County, Northeastern Hutchinson County until 8:30 Central Daylight Time. At 7:46 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fulton, or 10 miles east of Mitchell, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Alexandria and Farmer, it will be there right about now. Emory, 5 minutes. Bridgewater, Clayton, you got about 10 minutes. I know it's 15, but take cover now. So we're going to back it out and take a look at this. Oh, there's another one behind it. And that's only got 9 minutes left on. That's the one we were just looking at a few minutes ago for Northeastern Davison and Sanborn. So if you were in Iowa, if you were in Nebraska, if you were in Minnesota, I would definitely keep an eye. Keep it right here with Torcon Weather Team. And we're going to update you guys as we go. All right, so up here, this is something we were looking at earlier. Go back here to Twin Cities again. One coming out of Clear Lake. These are not severe warned right now, guys. They're just thunderstorms. This is what we were talking about earlier today with this whole derecho thing. Did not come together like we all thought it would by the way the models were looking. Got another alert on the board. Nebraska. There it is. Oh. Yep, there we go. That's what I was talking about. Still a considerable threat. Considerable damage threat, guys. We're going to try something here. Let's see how this does this. We're working with a new radar from WeatherWise. WeatherWise, the WeatherWise app. I think I did it right there. Oh, there it is. I did it right that time. I screwed it up the first time. So, new severe thunderstorm warning. So we're trying to get used to this, working with this new radar, especially when we go live and stuff like that. Not so much when we're chasing, because we've got that down to a science now. But live from the studio, we're still trying to acclimate ourselves to it. Severe thunderstorm warning. This is an extension until 8:45 Central Daylight Time for Central Knox County. Ping pong ball size hail, 60 mile per hour wind gusts, Bloomfield, Vertage, Niobrara, Santee, Center, Verdell, Lindy, Santee Reservation, and Niobrara State Park. Considerable damage. Threat tag is on this. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And again, this right here has been issued for this. And I want to see something here. Nope, can't do it. Yeah. I'm looking at a couple different things here, guys. Looking at some data here. Sorry. No, that's a new one. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clay County and southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Lincoln County, eastern Ben Holm County, Yankton County, Turner County, northwestern Union County, and southeastern Hutchinson County until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 7:55. A severe thunderstorm was located over Scotland, or 17 miles northeast of Tyndall, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Minnow, it will be knocking on your back door here in about, or knocking on your front door here in about 4 minutes. Sorry, front door, back door, you know. This is an extension of this one. This is the one I was talking about earlier, guys. This is the one that I said was going to get severe warned out here. This is exactly the area that I was talking about earlier. So you got the one in Nebraska. This one expires in 18 minutes. Nebraska. This one expires in 18 minutes. This one right here. Again, let's jump over here real quick to the, woo, that came in awfully quick. So as you can see, now this is the significant wind risk. All the way down to Mason City. Past Mason City. 10% hatched, 45% wind risk. It's going almost, and you've still got 10% significant there and 30%. Almost all the way down to Dubuque, Iowa, Des Moines, Davenport. So all these areas right here, if you are in any of these colors right here, you need to pay attention because anything could change at any given time. So we're going to back it out here. We're going to take a look around the country real quick. Looks like we got a new severe down here in Kentucky. 31 minutes. National Weather Service in Paducah, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Spencer County and southwestern Indiana, Davies County in northwestern Kentucky, and east central Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky. Until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 7:47 Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from Eureka to 6 miles south of Hallsville. Moving southeast at 35 miles per hour, expect damage to roof siding and trees. Owensboro, Rockport, Whitesville, Masonville, Staley, Knottsville, Eureka, and Mosleyville. You guys are all going to be affected by this. Just take a look at it. Let's put it in motion. Actually, let's go over to... We're going to take a closer look at this thing. We're going to go to the local radar. Let's go to Louisville. Like I've said to you guys, if you guys have this app, look at it from the front side, not the back side. You get better reflectivity from either the front or the side. Yep. West Louisville, as you guys like to call it in Kentucky. Owensboro, Knoxville, Whitesville, Utica, Mosleyville, Panther, West Louisville. These areas are all getting just big time hit right now. Take a look at the velocity. Not seeing anything really stands out to me there. Maybe a little bit there in Stanley. You just got some broad rotation there. Take a look at correlation real quick. Nothing standing out there. Back to reflectivity. Ooh, lost my cursor. Let's go over here and take a look somewhere else. See what else we got out there. Let's see, we got Montana, Indiana, Kentucky. South Dakota expires in 14 minutes. There's that one. That's the one I'm really concerned about. I don't like the way that one's shaping up. Honestly, it's got a lot of rotation in it. That's one we were looking at earlier. Take a look at velocity real quick. See if that couple is still on it. Yeah. Got a little something there. Oops. Thunderstorm in Nebraska. Man, that hail core is ridiculous. Got another one. I keep forgetting I gotta stop this thing. Alright, South Dakota, you got 13 minutes there. They just issued a new one, but it's only got 12 minutes on it total. New severe thunderstorm warning for Sioux Falls area. Clay County, southwestern Lincoln County, eastern Bon Homme County, Yankton County, and southeastern Yankton County, Turner County, northwestern Union County, and southeastern Hutchinson County, and it was issued by a new office is what it was. Go back out to Montana real quick. That thing is just nasty. Nasty. 26 minutes. National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern central Golden Valley County and Muscle Shell County in Montana. Again, that's the one that we were talking about earlier. Put it in motion. Yes, I know. We've been on for an hour. I know. We don't ever do this. It's kind of fun, though. For me. I'd rather be in the field. I won't lie. Of course, most of us would. All right, so let's take a quick overview here. It looks like this is starting to settle down a little bit. I got a flash flood warning there. We still got the severes down here and around the Sioux Falls area, headed into Iowa, Nebraska, over around Springview, Ainsworth. So, all in all, now that I've been on it for an hour, here's areas that we need to watch. Montana, you got a very, very nasty severe thunderstorm warning around Roundup. That's going to be the first one. Sioux Falls, Yankton, Sioux City, Norfolk, Omaha, Des Moines, Marion, Davenport, Mason City, Dubuque, down into Indiana. I'm going to check back in with you guys here in a little bit. Let's take a look at Ohio. We were looking at that earlier. Looks like it's making its way into Columbus. Making its way through Columbus right now. We're going to take a look at the Wilmington radar real quick. Looking at central Ohio or anywhere in Ohio from the Wilmington radar is better every time than looking at national radar, and I don't know why. So, Hilliard, Grove City, you're getting ready to get hit. London, you're getting ready to get hit. Springfield, you're getting ready to get hit. Gahanna, New Albany, it looks like it's going around you. It's going out in Licking County. You're going to get Newark, Etna, Hebron, Pataskala, Alexandria, Johnstown's getting ready to, it's on your front doorstep. So we're gonna look down here in Parkersburg. We got some flooding going on in Parkersburg. Elizabeth, Ravenswood, Spencer. Here's another area that we need to watch for flash flooding. Lexington, Lawrenceburg, Mount Sterling, Jeffersonville, Nicholasville, Richmond, this is coming for you, Stanton, Irvine. Paris getting hit right now. Frankfurt just got hit. Flemingsburg. All these areas you need to pay attention. Could have some issues there. Let's look down in Tennessee real quick. still got that severe out there in Kentucky. Tennessee, you are looking pretty clean right now, actually. Take a look at Memphis. Yeah, you got a little bit of, you got some boomers there. Let's take a look at the ASCAM. So what we got there. Not really showing much on the camera. It's probably facing that way. So, give a real quick board check, and then I'm going to jump off here. All tornado warnings are off the board. We're down to 7 severe thunderstorm warnings. Indiana, Kentucky, Nebraska, South Dakota, Nebraska, South Dakota, South Dakota, Montana. Several. And, of course, South Dakota pops another one. We'll take a look at it real quick. It's for that same cell that I was talking about earlier. To observe, considerable damage threat. So if you're in these areas, take cover. And it's an extension. So again, we're at 7. Indiana, Kentucky, Nebraska, South Dakota, and Montana. Several flash flood warnings on. You got one for Ohio, West Virginia. You got one for New Mexico, Minnesota, New Mexico, and Ohio out of the Cleveland office. So, guys, all tornado warnings are off the board. We are going to keep you as updated as possible. If I could scroll the right way on the radar, it would be a miracle. So, Jason's Words, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. And if anything drastic changes or anything like that, if we have anything going on, I will make sure to jump back on and update you guys as we go. But as for the derecho, I don't really think it's going to be a thing. That's just my honest professional opinion. So you guys are going to, like I said, this is going to get some QLCS tendencies there. So we'll keep an eye on this. You got a cluster of severes there. You got a little bit of flash flooding up here. But outside of that, looks like everything's starting to settle down. So we'll keep an eye on things. And if we need to jump back on, we'll jump back on and update you guys. Again, thanks for hanging out with Torcon Weather Team. Jason Lawrence live from the weather desk in Ohio. And make sure you guys give us a like, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff on all of our social media platforms. You can get to them all from our website. Head over to our website at www.torconwxteam.com. Again, that's www.torconwxteam.com. And on the homepage at the very top, there's a bunch of hyperlinks on there that can get you to all of our social media pages. Get on there, give us a like, follow, subscribe, all that crazy madness that you guys like to do on social media. And we appreciate the love, appreciate the support, and try to keep you guys as informed as possible. As always, keep your eyes on the sky, stay weather aware, and that's going to do it for us tonight. Unless something, like I said, unless something crazy happens. If that does happen, I'll jump back on here. I'm going to keep an eye on things, and we will talk to you guys again tomorrow.